friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Miles Morales for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started on the top with the hood, and we're just going to draw in a curved line right in the center. On each side of this now, from that edge, we're going to curve this around and down on the left. And then we'll move across doing the exact same thing on the right, making sure to end that as best as we can at the same height. Let's frame in the face now underneath. So coming up from this line on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the center for the chin. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So trying our best to line that up at the same height, curving this down, dragging that in on a diagonal, blending that together on the bottom. Let's frame in the eyes here now. So from the center, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line up and over on the left. Moving back into the middle, leaving an even amount of space here, another gap right in the middle. Again, just curving this up and out to the right. And then now coming down on the bottom from that inside corner, we're going to curve this around, pulling that through and up to the hood on each side. Now we're going to move into the middle and basically just replicate that. So from the center, stepping across, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then we'll come down underneath again, curving this around and back through on the side. Let's continue framing the hood now. So from these edges here, we're just going to curve this line out, start dragging that back in as we get to the chin, and then curving that line across. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this out, starting to drag that back in, curving that over, and then down, ending that at the same height. Now from this point on the bottom, we're going to curve this up, around, and in. We're just going to follow that exact same shape that we have on the inside. Let's continue to round at the top of the head here. So from the left-hand side, we're going to curve this in, continuing to straighten that out as we come up. And then now from here, we're going to round this out. So on the left-hand side, continuing on this line, we're going to drag this in on a diagonal, curving that towards the center. And then now from the top, starting back on that line, we're just going to round this out, curving this over and down, connecting those lines together. Let's add in the neckline here. So over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and out. We'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now imagining that that falls through underneath, just curving that across on each side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this in to the middle. And then we'll continue to round this out underneath, arching that up in the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Miles Morales for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.